Hey, last time I think we had some issues with the screen capture. So let me do that part again. So here we are going to see how to set up tables, table definitions and column definitions. This is the step before creating windows and tabs. So I'm logged in as system administrator and I'm going to the table and column menu. So first of all, let me check if I have this table already there. So this is search. I'm in the search, so it is in there. So let me try to create it. Go to the plus sign to create a new record in the table and column window. So DB table name, this has to match a name that's in the DB. And the actual name, I'll just give it the same. This can be like, this name can have space and camel case or actually capitalize and so on. So once you have changed from system only to system and client, record is deletable. Maintain change log. This is where you'll get the audit logs. We don't want high volume. If you keep high volume, it will show the search would get when you go to this menu. Entity type is user maintained. Okay, save this. Then this toolbar will be enabled. So go there, then say create columns from DB. So we know this table is already there in the PostgreSQL, PostgreSQL. So create columns from DB, user maintained. You don't need to do this. We only want to look for this specific name, SPM transaction record, or whatever name you have given. Say OK. All right. It got 13 columns for this particular table. So you can see there is the ID, the UU, value, name, valid from, valid to, client ID. These are common. This is a required field. This is the ID. It will be the table name underscore ID. And this is like a search. This will help with the search. So I usually give this as well, underscore UU. Client ID and organization ID are required fields. And this is active, created by, updated by. These fields are required if you want to capture the audit log. All right, so that part is good. So now if you look at the details tab, earlier this was empty, but now it is populated with those 13 columns, DB column names that it discovered in the database table. All right, that's it. We'll continue on the next video.